In today's video, I'll walk you through how to get a state ID step by step here in the United States, especially if you're new here or you do not know where to start. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dorian, and on this channel I share practical life guidance, routines, and real life information to help you get settled and organized. This video is for students, newcomers, or anyone who needs a clear explanation without getting confused or pressure. A state ID is an official identification card issued by your state. It looks similar to a driver's license, but it does not allow you to drive. You can use your state ID to go to appointments, pick up packages, prove your identity, apply for jobs or school, open a bank account. For most people, a state ID is the first and most important document to get before anything else. You need a state ID if you are new to the United States or you are new in the state where you are living in. You need an official photo ID, you are a student, or you don't have a driver's license at the moment. Even if you plan to have a driver's license later on, having a state ID makes things very much easier. When you go to apply for a state ID, you need documents. Requirements vary by states, but most states ask for 3 main requirements. First document, proof of identity. It can be a passport, a birth certificate, or an immigration paper. Second, proof of a social security number. You mean a social security card or any document that has your social security number on it. Third one, proof of residency. It can be a lease, a utility bill, a school letter, or any document that shows your address and shows that you live in the States. Always check your official DMV website before going so you don't get turned away. You can apply for a state ID at your local DMV or Department of Motor Vehicles. You can go there through walk-ins, but it's preferable for you to get an appointment. I recommend checking online, booking an appointment, and also arriving early with all your documents organized. It will minimize your time there and you'll be out in a short time. The cost of the state ID depends on the state you are living in. It varies from free to $40 and plus. Some people can receive the ID the same day, and other people will receive it in the mail few weeks later. You also get a receipt if you have to receive your state ID in the mail later, so you have proof that you did your state ID. Common mistake that people make before going to the DMV: they bring expired passports, documents, and other things that will allow them to do the state ID. They don't check the website before going there, which is a big mistake. And also, they forget the proof of residency, which shows where they are living in the state. Double check everything before you go. It saves you stress and time. Getting a state ID is one of the first steps to feel settled and independent. Getting a state ID here in the United States is one of the first steps to feeling settled and independent here. If there is any other subject that you would like to know and you would like to have some information about it, please feel free to put it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to explain to you so you don't feel confused or pressure in any kind of way. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.